Are Python certifications on Coursera actually worth it? Or are they just another online certificate that doesn't matter? In this video, I'll break it down and show you whether these certifications can really help your career. If you want to explore these programs, I've linked them below so you can compare options and check current offers. Before we get into the courses, here's something important. A certificate alone won't get you a job. What matters most is your skills and the projects you build. The certificate simply proves that you've learned something. Now let's look at the top certifications. One of the most popular is the Python for Everybody Specialization from the University of Michigan. This program has hundreds of thousands of reviews and a rating of around 4.8. It's one of the best beginner-friendly paths and covers everything from Python basics to working with data and web APIs. This is the best starting point if you're new to programming. Another strong option is Python for Data Science, AI and Development by IBM. This course focuses more on practical applications. You'll learn how to use Python with tools like NumPy, Pandas, and Jupyter Notebooks, which are widely used in data science. It's a great choice if you want to move into data-related roles. And a third option is the Microsoft Python Development Professional Certificate. This program is more career-focused and includes topics like web development, version control, and real-world software workflows. It's a solid choice if you want job-ready development skills. Now let's talk about whether these certifications are worth it. The biggest advantage is structure. Instead of guessing what to learn, you follow a clear path. They also help you stay consistent and build a strong foundation. And since these are from recognized universities and companies, they do add credibility to your resume. But there are limitations. Employers don't hire you just because you have a certificate. They care about what you can actually build and solve. So you still need to practice and create projects. Now here's the smart approach. Instead of taking just one certification, you can combine them. Start with Python for Everybody, then move into data science or development depending on your goal. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can access multiple certifications and build a complete skill set without paying for each one separately. So, is a Python certification on Coursera worth it? Yes, if you use it as a learning path and not just a piece of paper. It's a great way to build skills, but your results will always depend on how much you practice. If you want to explore these certifications or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest guides like this.